Hey folks, today I'm going to show you not an unboxing video, but a boxing video for the shoe material kit. Okay, so what's inside? First, we're going to start with the bottom. This is a 1.5 millimeter lasting board, quite firm, perfect for your hand lasting projects. That goes in the bottom. Next is a Strobel material. So if you're going to do a Strobel or you're going to do a board lasted shoe that's a little softer, you need Strobel fabric. Notice this one has the alignment to show you what direction to cut it in, but also this keeps it straight in the bottom of your shoe. Okay, that's Strobel material. Next we have a sheet of 0.5 millimeter super tough. This is ideal for reinforcing the leather or fabric behind punched eyelets or metal hardware. You'll see it's adhesive backed. Peel the back, cut it, peel it off, stick it in, sew it, and this is, like I said, a great way to reinforce eyelets. It's really difficult to tear. So we got a sheet of super tough. Next that goes into the pack is a relatively soft, fusible Sirloin sheet. Again, this is for your toe counters or your toe puffs. Make sure the front of your shoe holds its shape nicely. Again, pretty soft so your toe cap's not stiff. But again, we'll hold its shape. Next in the pack is the same material, only 1.5 millimeters thick. This is perfect for heel counter. You'll notice it's got the same fusible coating on it. Heat it up, stick it in. This is for your heel counters. Next, we've got 15 millimeter PU foam. A little bit dense, quite a little bit firm, perfect for tongues and collar foam. Again, 15 millimeters. Next, we have a double sheet of lining material. So this has a lightweight knit mesh, 5 millimeter PU foam, and a Tricot backing. So again, the backing on there so you can put a little bit of glue and it won't saturate the foam. Again, this is perfect for vamp lining or tongue backing. And last but not least, we have same thing, chain knit mesh, stretchable, with a 5 millimeter PU foam and a Tricot lining, but in this case in black. Again, it's a double sheet of this. That's what's inside the shoe material kit. This is a perfect place to get started for your DIY projects. This is the material that's hard to find. You know, leather, textile, you can get that just about anywhere. You pick the color of your shoe, but these are the internal components you're going to need for your DIY project. Now that this one's packed, it's ready to ship. Ships today.